did you get?
Almonds.
Oh.
Tokyo is huge and has a lot of people.
これがドイツの伝統料理です。
It's quick
Quick and easy.
and similar. Not very traditional, but easy, quick one.
Okay. シェフいかがですか？
日本語わかりません。ドイツ人から。
Yes.
It's
Follow.
creepy. It's following me.
Everywhere.
But that's my hobby and my work, hopefully in the future.
Wow.
Ich kann nur jemanden lieben.
You understand?
Not really.
No. Eh?
Of course, it's me. I am the problem.
Die other phrases. Kann, anstatt dass mir jemand.
Okay, you
That
understand?
doesn't make sense. No, it doesn't make sense.
Ah, I see. It seems like the phrase folgen, statt dass jemand mir seine Liebe gesteht. This means, if that makes more sense.
Oh.
Christmas. いは私、do
あなた。
あなた。エラエラエラエラエラ
Yeah? Yes.
エラ
Yeah.
美味しい。
ねえ、すごいよ。
Salt delicious. I forgot to put salt and pepper.
うわ、美味しい。ミーティングパリスじゃない。わー。
And then that's why it's like the old part of the city.
Uh-huh.
Like I told you, it's one of the only places where still like the old buildings are still existent.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to Amsterdam?
No, it's Netherlands. Okay. No, never.
日本
日本。
In summer I go here.
Yeah, postcard or something. It's from Germany.
Where everything is from.
Yeah.
That was when I was small. Yeah, it says sausage.
Do you like it?
Spicy.
Yes. Wow.
So it's
Big bite.
onion, steak, and kind of bread.
Big bite, big bite.
Good steak.
いや、でかっ。
Oh. Oh.
ganz besonders. Ich ging zu ihm und fragte, warum er mir nicht wie die anderen Tiere.
I like it.
Oh. Ya, すごいわ。Christmas.
Do you know the songs?
Yes.
I don't know how common English, German Christmas songs are in Japan.
This is German song.
No, it's English. But some of them are maybe German. Or maybe I just know the German